Okay, my friend, when you go to the run mode and change the checking color code mode or the mark mode, is the same. Okay, and then you go back to the run window and setting the length. Length means the distance between two marks. Okay, also means you see set from the middle of one eyemark to the middle of the other eyemark. Now my eyemark, the distance is 160. Okay, then you put 160 in the length here. Okay, and then press reset. And please remember, don't make this in green. Okay, always make it blue. Okay, in green is for the testing only, not for packing. Okay, now no need. And then you need to setting this. The sensor is here. It's about 1 finger distance or about 10 mm. Okay, 10 millimeters. And then when this sensor aim at the eye mark, this light is off. Okay, and when you can make it move, this light is on. Okay. See, so you can start the machine and put one hand in here and check the light. You see, is all on and off. Okay, now you already done off setting the sensor, also the photo cell. You always make it this head down a little bit. Don't make it up. Don't make it like this or like this. No, you need to make it down a little bit. Okay, don't make it up, make it down a little bit. Okay, and the distance is about 1 finger or about 10 mm. And the line in here is like a spot. Okay, after we done off setting the length, here means back length, and done off the setting the photo cell. Okay, and then you press reset and start the machine. Put your hand here and let the machine run few bags. Okay, now you can see, you can measure now the eye mark is not in the cutting here, right? Okay, you can measure it. The distance from the eye mark to the end is 40, right? Okay, and then you make the machine stop, and then the cut position here, you can make it plus 40. Okay, and then press reset. Check again and start the machine. And let him run few bags. Okay, now you can see the eye mark is to here. Now it's cutting the eye mark, but it's not cutting. If you want it move more, then you can add 2 mm to make it 150. Okay, start the machine, press reset. Always remember to press the reset. Okay, after you done off the change this, and then start the machine again. I'm sorry, forget about the noise. Okay, that's because the back go to here, so the back will get bent. Okay, now you can see the eye mark is moved to here, move forward. Okay, and cutting like this.